The Smart Quiz. Let's get smarter every day.
Question 1. What is the unit of force in the International System of Units? The correct answer is B, Newton. Question 2. Which law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction? The correct answer is C, Newton's third law. Question 3. What is the speed of light in a vacuum approximately? The correct answer is A, 300,000 kilometers per second. Question 4. What energy is possessed by an object due to its motion? The correct answer is C, kinetic energy. Question 5. What is the process called when a solid turns directly into a gas? The correct answer is B, sublimation. Question 6. Who is known for the theory of relativity? The correct answer is C, Albert Einstein. Question 7. What instrument is used to measure electric current? The correct answer is B, ammeter. Question 8. What is the primary source of energy for the Earth? The correct answer is B, the sun. Question 9. Gravity on the moon is about how much of Earth's gravity? The correct answer is C, 1/6. Question 10. Which subatomic particle has a negative charge? The correct answer is C, electron. Question 11. What is the center of an atom called? The correct answer is C, nucleus. Question 12. Sound waves cannot travel through which of the following? The correct answer is C, vacuum. Question 13. What color is formed when all colors of light are mixed? The correct answer is B, white. Question 14. Resistance is measured in which unit? The correct answer is A, ohm. Question 15. What is the frequency of a wave measured in? The correct answer is B, hertz. Question 16. Which of these is a conductor of electricity? The correct answer is C, copper. Question 17. Pascal is the unit used to measure what? The correct answer is B, pressure. Question 18. A magnifying glass uses what type of lens? The correct answer is B, convex. Question 19. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? The correct answer is B, 100 degrees Celsius. Question 20. Density is calculated as mass divided by what? The correct answer is C, volume. All done. Drop your score in the comments.